What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you, or in this episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make an automatic light turn on / off thing. And you don't have to do anything except have the materials. And this is a little demo. I made this to show y'all guys a little example of it. You don't have to do checkers. I just like it because it looks good. I like it. It just looks good, I guess. Yeah. So this is how it's gonna look and stuff. Yeah. So this is what you gotta do. Gotta build your wall. It's gotta be at least, well, actually, it doesn't really matter. It can be 2 or 3. I just like having a roof that's 3 blocks above your head because room. So yeah. And then if you're gonna do it like me, just do checkerboard like so. And I'm just gonna do this one side right now, but you get the idea. You're gonna want to make a like overlay right here. That's where you're gonna put all the materials, and yeah. And yeah, so daylight sensor, redstone, block, inverted signal, redstone. And you just, there you go. But that's only if you're doing that side. If you're doing more, or you're doing it bigger, you just gotta do that. And just keep extending it and put out the redstone. Yeah, thanks for watching.